V25M. Get this picture of this Comeng leaving. V25M departing platform 2 with T-car 1013 towards return to danger. V26 341 1021 and 463M on the rear. Comeng's train on the upfield service. That's why the gates aren't gone up yet.
We've done to that part. It's not nice. I'm not doing it over there. I don't think it's got the food here. No need for it. Shame defeating my video. That's it, Comeng.
Comeng's passing the crossing. Signalling on the upper line is a bit different to normal. These signals are start at a distance, so you have to have the train out of the block at the next crossing to have the train out of the next block for the signal to activate again. You can't have another signal activation. Can you pick up my drink for me and I'll film this when we go? Yeah. Here goes the Comeng. There it goes.